Hi everyone, here is ABS team. This video will teach you how to check in day use. Firstly, go to Room Rack and click Reservation Calendars. Then choose Day Use Room. When make reservation must fill in guest detail. In market segment and source of business will choose walk-in. In rate type just choose day use rate. When detail correctly just click done. In the payment type, we'll choosing guest paid by which option. Fill in amount and click done. When click done here can print out reservation ticket and deposit receipt then click done. In here to click check in day use reservation. In here click check in now. And check rate type will change day use rate then. Click done. In here we'll check payment type and amount then check deposit of keep. Click done. When done have to print out guest registration, receipt and deposit receipt. When print out just click done. Thank you.